Are they worth it? Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney, and we are doing a series here on this channel called One Brand Wash Days, wherein we test out 3 products from one brand on this head of hair to see how they all perform side by side by side by side in order to give you more information as the consumer as to whether or not the products may or may not work best for you. And we're having fun. We're testing out Living Proof today. Honestly, this is a brand that I have not picked up, not played around with because of the price tag. But I have bit the said bullet and I am trying them today to see if they're worth it, if they're worth the hype. I have been having my eye on the curl defining gel for quite a long time. That ingredients label, man, it's calling my name. We'll see how this works. Some of the things that this gel has in it really tend to work super nicely for my hair. And we're using the accompanying shampoo and conditioner to round out this One Brand Wash Day. This is what my hair is looking like before. It's kind of extra special today. You saw it was pulled back in a bun. It's floofy, it's not defined, it's not looking cute. I'm not particularly oily greasy, but I'm a little oily greasy. My hair is fine, low porosity at the roots and medium to high porosity throughout the rest of it, mid lengths to ends, because there's some old hidden bleach hiding in the lengths of my hair, and my hair tends to be on the wavier side of things rather than the super tight curly side of things. All right, now that we have all the basics out of the way, let's go wash and style this hair. Alrighty guys, we're starting off this wash day by getting my hair nice and soaking wet so that we can get a really good clean by using the Living Proof Curl Shampoo for waves, curls, and coils. I appreciate that they intended to formulate this for a wide range of curl types, and I'm not gonna lie, as I squeezed this out, I thought I grabbed the wrong bottle. I thought that this was the conditioner. It is not, I double checked. I did grab the shampoo. It does contain several really nice surfactants, but it's really, really conditioner-y feeling. As I'm scrubbing my scalp with the pads of my fingers, I'm noticing that this doesn't foam and suds and lather up just a whole lot. It's very hydrating. If you have a drier, coarser hair type and find that most of the shampoos that Courtney personally loves are too much for your hair, this is not going to be too much for your hair. It is very nourishing and hydrating. I do want to point out that it contains sunflower seed wax, and as I'm rinsing this off of my hair, I can feel something on my hair. It's like it left a little bit of nourishment behind, if you know what I mean. I am going to double cleanse with this product because it didn't foam up just a whole bunch on the first time around. And on the second time around, it does foam and lather a whole lot more. I also want to note that the fragrance of the shampoo is really strong. It's that classic Living Proof fragrance. It's a very elegant, high-end sort of fragrance, but if you are sensitive to fragrance, this shampoo is perfumey. All right, now that we've got the second cleanse out of the way, I'm going to grab the Living Proof Curl Conditioner for waves, curls, and coils. It looks like they recently reformulated the product because there is a sticker on the back with a different ingredients label, and if I peel it up, I can look at the ingredients that it used to be. I'm not gonna pull the sticker all the way off because we know how that sticky gets everywhere. But it looks like we have an updated ingredients label on this conditioner. I'm not going to make the same mistake that I've made in the past of grabbing too much of these really rich conditioners because typically the higher end products tend to be way more concentrated. As I'm starting to finger detangle my hair, I'm noticing I have almost no slip. I am having a hard time getting my fingers through my hair. So I'm going to try my trick of adding just a little bit of water to the back of my head and then continue finger detangling. And what do you know? That actually really helps solve. Now the tangles are melting right out of my hair. I'm going to finish distributing this conditioner through my hair with the Bounce Curl Defining Brush. And again, it's kind of pulling and tugging a little bit. This conditioner is maybe a 3 out of 5 slip. It's not the worst I've ever used, but it's definitely not the most slippery. It does contain some really interesting ingredients like shea butter, cetyl alcohol, bihydramonium chloride, jojoba esters, sunflower seed oil, and that sunflower seed wax. So both the shampoo and the conditioner contain that wax. And as I'm rinsing this out of my hair after a good thorough squish to condition, I feel something on my hair. My hair does not feel completely product free. I feel like there's something on my hair. And in some cases, that is a fantastic thing. If your hair is not really prone to buildup, if you really struggle with dryness and dehydration, this may be the combo for you. But I'm getting a little nervous. So I'm going to grab my Bounce Curl Defining Brush one more time and define my curls. I'm really gonna push the hair away from my face and pull it off the sides and back of my neck to kind of get all the curls pointed in the right direction. And then I'm going to define the crown area just a little bit before I start scrunching my hair and making sure that my curl clump sizes are exactly the right size. This is where I'm starting to notice the wet frizz a little bit. I don't normally have wet frizz at this stage of the wash day, but I'm thinking that's because of how nourishing the shampoo and conditioner are. Next up, I'm grabbing the Living Proof Curl Defining Gel for waves and coils. Can we just say thank you that this product has a pump? I'm going to get about 5 pumps here, and I like the consistency. It's kind of a custardy jelly sort of feel. I'm smoothing this out of my hands and glazing it over my hair really well, front, back, sides, middle, and giving my hair a really thorough scrunch. One of the things that I was really interested in this gel for is that it claims humidity resistant control and definition for frizz-free curls for all curl types. And while it does contain polyquaternium 68 and VPVA copolymer, really good hold ingredients, and methylcellulose, like ingredients that I usually really enjoy in gels, I'm not enjoying how this is feeling going into my hair. My hair is feeling producty, and I'm having some flash drying as I scrunch this in. I hate to say it, but once I'm done, this is what my curl clumps are looking like. I'm gonna give you a minute. Can you see the wet frizz? I even tried adding water to this to get my curls to kind of come back together. It wasn't happening. So I'm gonna go plot my hair and diffuse and be back to scrunch out the crunch with you guys. And here we are with my hair 100% dry. I did diffuse it for longer than normal, actually, about 20 minutes, and it was only at the 80% dry mark, which is quite weird. As I was diffusing, I didn't get much of a cast. In fact, let's see. Yeah, you can see that some of these pieces are like completely soft, but there were still some damp pieces when I stopped diffusing, and they casted. This is a weird wash day, guys. I have not had a wash day behave like this in a long time. Perhaps I am just having a very off day. That happens from time to time, and if I'm being honest, I'm being super clumsy today. So it may just be me, but this is not looking good so far. All right, let's go ahead and scrunch out the crunch, or at least give this hair a really good fluff, kind of open things up and take a look and see how it turned out. Okay, maybe it's actually cute. Never judge a wash day on how it looks in the cast, because I was in a mood before I fluffed my hair. I thought my hair looked terrible, and this is not bad. It may not be the most epic or glorious, but it's definitely a lot better than I was thinking it was gonna be. Hold on, I wanna look at the back real quick. Yeah, I've got some good definition right here. it's a little bit more stretched out. This one turned into like a full-on sausage curl. It's living its best life. I am getting a little bit of a headache from the fragrance in these products, which is bumming me out because they do smell nice. They smell high-end. I smell elegant and pretty, but it's irritating me. You can tell I'm kind of like a little froggy, clearing my throat a little bit. My hair feels, goodness, I feel like I'm being so negative with this hair day, but my hair feels quite heavy, and maybe I should stop touching it because the more I'm touching it, the more it's frizzing. So, as always, with these one brand wash days, I will be back at the end of the day to show you how it held up through my wild and crazy mom life, and I'll be back on the morning of day 2 to show you how it held up overnight. Well guys, here we are at the end of the day. Can you see what's happening? Can we take a look? Can you see? This floof is floofing. The frizz is frizzing. I don't think I did Living Proof justice. I am feeling slightly sad because I think I picked the absolute wrong shampoo and conditioner from Living Proof for my hair. I think that the majority of the problems with this wash day are not because of this styler, it's because of the shampoo and conditioner. If there's not a good base for your stylers will not perform well. There are a lot of different factors that go into a truly epic, glorious curl day, and I think from my years of experience, I am going to say that it's the shampoo and conditioner that are the weak link in this wash day. Also, my headache is getting worse. My allergies are getting worse. I'm finding that I'm clearing my throat a lot and sneezing quite a bit. Either the glorious West Texas weather is causing my allergies to flare, or it's the fragrances in the product. I can't be 100% sure, but I also feel like I'm pretty reactive to these fragrances. I'm getting that headache, you know? If you know, you know. And if you know, I'm so sorry that you know, because this hurts. This isn't fun. Yeah. Oh, smelling them even makes my head hurt worse. But this is what the hair is looking like at the end of the day. Stretched out, it's elongating, it's floofing and losing definition. We'll go ahead and do a check-in in the morning, and I will share my final thoughts with you. Good morning, guys. Here we are on the morning of day 2, and you may hear that my voice is really low. That is because I'm having an allergic reaction to the fragrance in these products. Probably should have called this video quits last night when I was noticing that it was getting worse rather than better, but I wanted to keep these one brand wash days consistent for you, so I decided not to wash my hair last night and go ahead and do the check-in this morning so we could see how the products held up overnight. And it did not hold up really well. Let's take a look at the back. I'm not gonna lie, I am so sad and so bummed, but I am sharing the honest review of the products with you. I'm not holding back. You are seeing exactly what these products are doing, and it's a bummer that these products didn't work for me. That being said, I think they would work really well for someone else with a different hair type than me, and if you're not sensitive to the fragrance in the products. I do think that I would be able to refresh this hair and get it to kind of bounce back a little bit. But what I'm going to do instead of refreshing this hair is go wash it again. Yes, I just washed it yesterday, but I'm going to get this fragrance out of my hair. My skin is itching, my eyes are itching, my voice is all deep and froggy. This is kind of funny. I just want to say I don't think these Living Proof products are bad products. They just didn't work well for me. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking through this one. This one was a rough one. In case you missed it, please go check out the Kinky Curly One Brand Wash Day. Go check out the Wee Dad One Brand Wash Day. Those were truly epic. And it's kind of hard to have some truly epic wash days followed up by one that didn't meet my expectations. As always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!